Okay, if you if you can hear this, this is what it sounds like for white men to pander. He doesn't actually believe any of the shit that he's saying. He's saying, I think you're so smart, you're so talented, you blah, 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 blah. These are words that they use to make other men feel validated. Oh, I see your potential. The shit that they say, that's like white women say that too. They're like, I know that you have tried, but the opportunity is mine. It's just like, damn, bitch, like, why is the job okay? And but I think that's a part where you get to to understand that like either we have one society or we have two. Either there's the best person or there's not. Either there's hate or there's not. And Kara, Jadena, and Issa were all in the same class at Stanford. That's when I knew that shit was not okay. That's why I knew I had to go to UC Davis. Like, I had to. I could not be I could not compete with Issa. She's actually the best. Like, the best of the, like, there's no one better. Okay, so sometimes you have to realize the cards that you are dealt and play them. You do have cards. So you do have to play those cards. I don't know another thing to say, but if things mean stuff, then outcomes would be similar for those with similar experience and opportunities. But as you see, in our race-based society and social caste system built on white and Asian superiority and bro culture, we cannot move forward until white men realize they do not reign supreme. Either facts are facts, or flying fairies are princesses. You can choose which world that you live in.